We're still at the Westcott in their one bedroom den, one bedroom study, and we're going to go into the bedroom and see that. So the bedroom is here. Oh my goodness, this is a huge wall. This wall is enormous. And so that king bed doesn't even look that big. It looks more like a twin because the wall is so big. You've got a lot of space in here. This would be a fun master to enjoy. It really would. And then you've got a huge space over here to put your dressers and things like that. You do have a balcony also out here too. So you may have noticed there wasn't a balcony out in the main area, but you do have it here. And this is perfect. And this is just the perfect area of memorial. This is a wonderful, safe, $1 million kind of area to be in. So that's a little glimpse of that. Let's go into the bathroom so you can see that. The bathroom is here. And oh wow, it just pops. It's so gorgeous. Look at that. It's got kind of a honey colored cabinets. It's really nice. I haven't seen it yet here, so it's fun seeing this. Beautiful quartz countertops, and everything just sparkles. It's white and crisp and clear. And you have both a tub, very nice tub, wide, and then you've got a nice walk-in shower that's here too. Oh, this is so pretty. You've also got a really nice walk-in closet. It's big, and I have walked in, so it's got really a lot of storage space in here. That's an impressive closet. So, wow, I like what I see. I love how big this is. This is amazing. And then, of course, we come back to the kitchen that I love too. Hey, there's a number below. I want you to do this right now. Send a text to that number. That's my direct cell number. And just say, hey, Grant, I love what I'm seeing here. I'd like to get your help to find my perfect apartment in a luxury high-rise in Houston. Hey, I'm your guy. I'm going to care more than anybody else, but I'm also fun to work with, easy to work with, and very knowledgeable. I walk all these places myself personally. I love seeing them, and I'm going to share with you and get you the best details you can to make a great decision on your perfect high-rise apartment in Houston. So send me a text. Also, make sure to subscribe. If you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, subscribe to our Living Lux in Houston channel. You'll be alerted when we get beautiful new content like this.